If the last digit of a number is either 0 or 1 or 5 or 6, we need not do any calculation to find out the value of unit place digit. If the last digit is 0, its last digit is 1 or 5 or 6, it will have 0 as the last digit, it will have 1 as the last digit, this expression will have 5 as the last digit, and this expression will have 6 as the last digit. The value of power doesn't matter in case of 0, 1, 5 and 6. Now let us see the unit place value of the digits in case of 4 and in case of 9. In case of 4, if the power is odd, here the power is odd, then the answer will be 4 raised to power 1. 1 means odd. If odd, 4 raised to power 1. So the last digit will be 4. If the power in case of 4 is an even number, then we will be getting 4 raised to power 2. 2 means even number. 4 raised to power even number means we will be getting 4 raised to power 2. 16 means last digit will be 6. In case of 4, we are going to get only two numbers, either 4 or 6. If the power is odd, we are going to get 4. If the power is even, we are going to get 6 as the last digit of the expression. Similarly, in case of 9, if power is odd, we are going to get 9 raised to power 1, 9 as the answer. If power is even, then we are going to get 9 raised to power 2 as the answer, means we are going to get 1 as the last digit of the expression. So if power is odd, we are going to get 9 as the answer. If the power is even, we are going to get 1 as the answer. Now let us find the last digit in case of 2 and 8. In case of 2, we need to find out the value of 2 raised to power 77 is equal to 2 raised to power 76 into 2 raised to power 1. Out of this 77, we have taken out the maximum number which is divisible by 4. 76 is divisible by 4. So this will give us a 6 multiplied by 2. So answer is 2 is the last digit. We have to find out only 2 raised to power 38. 38 is to be converted into 2 raised to power 36, means the number divisible by 4 multiplied by 2 raised to power 2. So it will give us a 6 multiplied by 4, so 24. 4 is the last digit. In case of this, it is 2 raised to power 91 is equal to 2 raised to power 88 into 2 raised to power 3. So it is 6 into 8, 48. So 8 is the last digit. Here the last two digits are already divisible by 4. So this is going to give us a 6 as the last digit. And here also the last two digits are two zeros. When the last digit of a number are two zeros, the number is divisible by 4. So here again we are going to get 6 as the last digit. This 8 is also very similar to the number 2. So 8 raised to power 13 is equal to 8 raised to power 12 into 8 raised to power 1. This is going to give us a 6 multiplied by 8. So 8 will be the last digit. So 8 raised to power 26 is equal to 8 raised to power 24 multiplied by 8 raised to power 2. So 6 multiplied by 64, 6 multiplied by 4. 4 is the last digit. Here we are to calculate 8 raised to power 47 is equal to 8 raised to power 44 into 8 raised to power 3. This is going to give us 6. 6 multiplied by 8 raised to power 3 is 512. So 6 into 2, 2 is the last digit. Here the last two digits are 48. It is already divisible by 4. So this is going to give us 6 as the last digit. And here also last two digits are 0. So this number is also going to give us 6 as the last digit. Now we are left with 3 and 7. So we have to find out 3 raised to power 17 is equal to 3 raised to power 16 into 3 raised to power 1. This portion will give us 1 multiplied by 3. The last digit of this expression will be 3. So 3 raised to power 34, 3 raised to power 32 into 3 raised to power 2, 1 multiplied by 9. The last digit of this expression will be 9. So 3 raised to power 55, 3 raised to power 52 multiplied by 3 raised to power 3. So 1 multiplied by 27. Last digit will be 7. Here the last two digits are already divisible by 4. So 3 raised to power 88 will give us 1 as the last digit. So here also the last two digits are 2 zeros. So this number is divisible by 4. So 3 raised to power, this number will give us 1 as the last digit. And similarly, in case of 17, we are going to get 7 raised to power 21, 7 raised to power 20 into 7 raised to power 1. 1 multiplied by 7 is 7. 7 raised to power 42 is equal to 7 raised to power 40 into 7 raised to power 2. So 1 multiplied by 49, 9 is the last digit. 7 raised to power 59 is equal to 7 raised to power 56 into 7 raised to power 3. This will give us 1 as the last digit. This is going to give us 343. So 3 is the last digit of this expression. So 56 is already divisible by 4. So 7 raised to power 56 will give us 1 as the last digit. 7 raised to power something which is already divisible by 4 because the last two digits are 0. So this again is going to give us 1 as the last digit.